Y'all know what time it is. It's time to give y'all the information, pricing, and rundown for Zoom Fest 2024. 12 days, 11 nights, 2 or 3 cities, depending on your package, 1 special island, and embracing the thrill of a lifetime. This is a private annual event for my Zoom tribers and subscribers, and we're knocking $500 off all packages for the first 50 people paid in full before March 1st. Choose any 1 of 3 packages that can fit your lifestyle. First, we got the Ballin on a Budget package, a no-frills way to enjoy the beauty of Thailand. The Ballin on a Budget package comes with non-stop activities, transportation from the airport to your hotel in Bangkok, as well as a trip with the Travel O.G from the Bangkok to Pattaya. Although this is our most basic package, it still includes non-stop activities, a 3 or 4-star hotel stay on or near the beach, as well as your own custom-made Zoom to Thailand shirt, 3 massages, and a haircut at Suni's Barbershop. Packages starting at $47.99 to purchase before March 1st. Military and Patreon members get an additional 5% off of this package. Next, we got the Hangover package. For those who want to go on a wild ride and have the option of visiting the Philippines as well as Thailand, in this package, you have the option of sharing a room with a buddy for the double occupancy rate, or you can have the Hangover package all to yourself. This is our most popular package, so make sure you get your plenty of rest and eat your Wheaties, you dig? The Hangover package also includes transportation to and from the airport, a tailor-made suit, or an outfit of your choice, of the material of your choice with your name on it, as well as a matching tie, pocket square, and a custom-fitted shirt with your initials on the sleeve. But that's not all. You'll also have exclusive entrance to the private yacht party, 4 and 5-star hotel stays in the Philippines, as well as Bangkok and Pattaya. But there's more. You'll also have access to the private dinner symposium where you can meet and speak directly with Thai lawyers, real estate agents, and professionals giving you the latest and greatest info on starting a business, extended stays, moving, or retiring in Thailand. To me, this is the best part of the package, starting at $59.99 for the double occupancy rate if you get your payment in before March 1st. Now, for those of you who are used to the finer things in life and you enjoy your privacy, this package is for you. The James Bond Executive Platinum Package. This package includes just about everything with all the bells and whistles. 5-star hotel stays at the best hotels in the Philippines, Bangkok, and Pattaya. You also have the option of an additional stay at the private island, and you have access to exclusive private events only included in the James Bond Platinum Executive Package. You'll also have the option of private transportation to all major events. You'll have the option for 3 tailored suits with the material of your choice with Lucky Tailor, one of the best in Pattaya. Lucky Tailor will come to your room for your initial fitting. But wait, there's more. On top of everything included in the Hangover package, in the James Bond package, you also have your own personal money penny, aka concierge service person, to pick you up from the airport and any additional questions that you might have, and will be on call for your first few days in Thailand. This is all included with the James Bond package, by the way. But there's more. If you decide to extend your stay in Thailand past your 30-day visa, we will arrange your visa extension through Thai immigration at no additional cost. And finally, on your last night in Bangkok, you will take a trip on the Chao Phraya River for a dinner night cruise for you and a guest. All of this is included in the James Bond Executive Platinum Package, and of course, all packages come with a private one-on-one consultation with the Travel O.G, so I can help you fine-tune your trip for maximum results. The price for the James Bond Executive Platinum Package before March 1st is $85.49. Flight tips and taxes are not included. But in the consultation, I'll even help you with your flight arrangements. We also offer additional services, such as arranging your own private yacht party and any other special requests you might have. So what are you waiting for? Take advantage of the $500 off of any package. Payments can be made through PayPal or Cash App, Zoom to Thailand. Part of the proceeds will go to a charity here in Thailand, and if you have any other questions, email us, zoomtothailand@gmail.com. Zoom Fest 2024. Let's get it.